Hi guys, in this video we talk about Oppo Find X7 versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Oppo Find X7 launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $800. Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The dimension is same, not much difference. The weight of these devices, the Oppo Find X7 202 gram and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra 221 gram. Build. The both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame. It's come with dual SIM support, nano SIM card supported. The display type Oppo Find X7 LTQ AMOLED 1 billion color. Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTQ AMOLED 1 billion color. The display size Oppo Find X7 6.78 inches. Oppo Find X7 Ultra 6.82 inches. The resolution Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 1440 by 3168 pixels. Oppo Find X7 1264 by 2780 pixels. The PPI dynasty Oppo Find X7 450. Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 510. The refresh rate is same 120 Hz. The screen to body ratio Oppo Find X7 91.1%. Oppo Find X7 Ultra 90.3%. The protection both device come with Gorilla Glass Victor 2. The display brightness the Oppo Find X7 and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Oppo Find X7 comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with Hasselblad color calibration and it record 4K 60 fps video. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with Hasselblad color calibration and it record 4K 60 fps video. And the front camera, the both device come with 32 megapixel of selfie camera and it record 4K 30 fps and 60 fps video with selfie camera. Let's talk about the platform of the devices. The Oppo Find X7 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4. The chipset Oppo Find X7 come with MediaTek Dimensity 9300 4nm chipset and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU the Oppo Find X7 come with Modeless G720 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Adreno 750 and the both device come with Android 14 and ColorOS 14 operating system. And the memory the Oppo Find X7 come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the same Oppo Find X7 Ultra 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage the both device come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery backup. The Oppo Find X7 and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery and it's support 100 watt fast charging. And the Oppo Find X7 have no wireless charging. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra have 50 watt wireless charging. And the both mobile come with 5G network. The common and feature is same but the Oppo Find X7 come with IP65 rating and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with IP68 rating. And the result of these devices the Oppo Find X7 got 22 points and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 26 points.